We got it going down. Everybody's here. I'm bringing it up. I'm bringing it up right now. The chef is bringing up the marinara sauce. I got this. I told her to bring that crab out. Bring that crab out. I got D over here. D over here. There go Miss D. D in the house. That's right. D missed out. Going all the way back to Chicago and all that. What we got here? What we got there, D? D got that. We got to bring that. We got to bring some of that out. Got to bring that out. You know, this time, I had to bring out the big area, the big thing, all that. Everybody laughing, having a good time. I had to bring out this because any other time I would have had 5 square feet. This is my area that I'm usually working in right there. Somebody said, you need to bring out the cart. You need to bring out the chef. Need to bring out the big gun. So that's why the chef got this there. And where's my crab at? Okay, I'm looking for some crab, y'all. Okay, hold on a second. Champagne. All right. This one mess it up with the little foil over here. D over here. I got D. I got that. Mr. Dink is over here. I got Dad, 90+ years. I got Mr. Renee, Louisiana. Mr. Dink's son over there. Mr. L, right? Look out. Everybody's in the house. But happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Look, I got you. You know I got you, huh? Come on. Dad got it. I got Dad. I got a picture of Dad. That's your brother over here. Brother over here. Oh, boy.
What's happening? What you want?
Oh, man. Let's say this. Oh, they having too good of a time. Let me hurry up and get the food going down. Okay, sugar over. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, let's go on and drop some crab off in here. Let's do that. Let's drop some crab in here. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, man, look at that. Get that crab in there. Get that crab and all the essence in there. Yep, I'll tell you that. Crab, Shreen say, just put all the crab in there. Put all of it. I said, I got 3 pounds. I got 4 pounds about 4 pounds of salmon. She said, put all the salmon in there. Oh yeah. We're gonna bring it up. We're gonna bring it up to the ball. Now we're gonna throw out my second one in there. Yes, sir. Let's try. Here, dump that for me. Yes, there you go. They over there. He's starting jumping over there. I don't know what's going down. I don't know what is going down over here. But D started something. I'm trying to cook, man. I'm trying to cook. D trying to cook. Oh, Lord have mercy. I don't know what's going down over there. But I'm going to do what I got to do. We got our muscle ribs. That's going in here now. We're going to bring that in here. That's right. Dag it.